What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing some squishy. I'm just gonna be like playing with squishies, so yeah. So I have this one squishy. It is a Shopkins Squish Delish squishy. It's like ice cream or like yogurt in a cup or something. Yeah. And I also have this, like, I don't really know what this is, so, but one of my friends gave it to me, and I think it's pretty nice, so. Yeah. So, I also have this, little tangerine orange slice. It's a little, orange. And this is that last one, and this one came out of a blind bag, and this was the ultra rare. It's just a little s'more. This is another, I think it's Squish Delish. No, not Squish Delish. I don't know, it's not, okay. So, there's this little cinnamon bun with a lot of cream on top, like, you must like the cream. There's this whipped cream little thing. Yeah, and this one that I'm about to show you, and this one, yeah, they're partners, like they go together. So it's this little skunk. So like, yeah. These two last ones are gonna be like my favorites. So there's this little cake roll. Has a little bear face on it. It's not super slow rising, but it smells really good. It smells like strawberry cream, probably because it's like strawberry and then there's cream. So yeah. And then this last one's my favorite, although it has some defects in it, and that's probably because me playing with it, and also I have a dog that likes to eat everything. So yeah. 1 second, I'll be right back. Look at the squishies. I'm back. Okay, so if you just left, I'm sorry for you, because I'm about to show you my favorite. So, there's this crack right here, which isn't that bad, but then around like right here, yeah, there's like rips and tears. And there's a fingernail mark in the bottom. Yeah, but and I'm just gonna go over them all. So there was this one. There was this one. And I'm gonna try to go in order. And there's this one. this one. And there was this one, this one, that one, and this one, which has a lot of air inside. Like, I can feel it. Like, me just doing that, like, you can feel all the air inside. There's only like a thin layer of foam on the outside, so all my other ones are going to be my next video. I'm gonna give you a little hint. It has to do with paper squishies. So yeah, bye. Anyway, before I say bye, make sure you like and subscribe, please, because I only have 6 subscribers. So, bye.